Hello friends, I hope your sky is clear. Here I am, Jashandeep Singh from Astrophotography and welcome into my channel. Here's the situation that I can't do the astrophotography since since 1 week. I have never touched my camera for this, but I am means I am improving my post processing skills, and it is something that I uh, the situation in the lockdown that I can't go outside for the astrophotography as I plan for um, the new Vice Comet C slash 2020 F3. So the plan is failed, and so leave that. So in this video will means you will learn how to process your deep sky astrophotography. Um, Means the color grading will be proved, and in the mobile only, not in the laptop or computer we will need it, and the mobile Lightroom, and something you will never seen before, that how's the process in the mobile works if the topic comes on the astrophotography deep sky in mobile. Target I am choosing the is Lagoon Nebula, and it is something that I needed for the astrophotography, that I have clicked this image on May, and I was really happy with it. And so let's see that how the result will I get, as I'm very pretty happy with it, and I'm gonna share you with you that how the system works in the deep sky photography. Let's open to my mobile.
Okay, you're into my phone now, and I'm so excited. So, okay, here I am. This is my Lightroom, and as you see, this is a phone editing. I have totally changed the pic, and we are going to edit it using before and after. A little bit difference is there, so it is not a very big. You can see the difference is there is a light. You have to before editing. I'm gonna tell a thing that this is only for a mobile video. If you are using a PC, so come onto the mobile and edit. Start editing with it because it is so portable. The machine that you can take out from your pocket and edit anytime. So let's start editing. So it is exposure balance, and as you can see there's a nebulosity over there, there's a lagoon, a little bit for where we put a little bit up the contrast so we can know it is okay or not. Highlights, I think large because it is good, and shadows a little bit up only, not very high. Whites because there's just about there's a street light and on that time, so I can't take a photo of separately, so good. As you can see, here is a Milky Way because it is a Milky Way band pass because it is inside the Milky Way belt. So we just not on 35 blacks to remove a flat image. One is only 6 I will recommend. This is the monochrome, the RGB as a tint because you have to pop out the colors from the lagoon. M8 41 35 is best. A little bit. This is 40, as it depends upon your taste. My taste is this, so I will recommend. And the main process is the balancing. Like each and every color is 85 the best. And now the highlights, as you see, here's the highlighting is done. Let's see the lagoon. The M8 is glowing up separately because it is a nebulosity over there. And here's the Trifid. Wow, Trifid Nebula. But we have to take our pink because it is pink. Taste is my okay. Balancing each and every subs, and we have to, as you see, our is go a little bit previous. This is texture, you can see, and the clarity for the most convenient offers. Is you need a softness or you need a very hard profile picture. So I need a soft, little bit soft, not very hard. Dehaze and little bit sharpening as I recommend. As you can see, here's my I have set up all the presets. The noise reduction till 80 because there's digital zoom. One thing I tell you guys is this phone image taken by the Realme X3. Not any lens is used over here, and I don't recommend any lens for this. You can shoot through a digital zoom of your phone also. It is a 10x full, so you can shoot it through it also. Okay, there is softness, more softness. I think the softness is not looking good. And the chromatic aberrations remove because it is very important. Detailing 90, and is a lot of has been came from it. Pinkish. As you see, the RGB patterns are really clearly visible from it. And now we have to do a little bit down the tints, and I think we have to a little bit hue also. Here's, wait a minute, over there, I think over here, yes, here also it is. A little bit luminance, as you see over there. We have to pull out a little bit detail. It's choosing the purple, and it's nice. We have to little bit down our lightings, little bit down our contrast, medium tones, because I like the pictures that have the real light from it. It is very complicated because I don't like these curves, but I'm doing for you that many people like the curves because they have a habitual of that. Okay, doing great. And we have to now increase our texture because this looking because this it means it is looking that there is no star behind it. There are many stars but I can't capture. And the vignette, if you like, you can do it because it gives you a little bit premium effect. I don't like the vignette. I can't pronounce it clearly, but you can see the spelling over here. Okay, the video is going too much long. I think 10 minutes is it is. So this is all the process that how the lagoon looks like perfectly. So it is. Thank you. Okay.